name is Jim Gillies, and I've been with the Motley Fool since 2005. I realized I was passionate about investing when I bought my first investing book, which actually happened to be the Motley Fool Investing Guide. I was an engineer by trade before that. Thought I was making a little bit of money, I should probably start saving a bit, and I bought the guide and I got hooked. First things I look for when I start researching a company, free cash flow. I'm a cash flow investor. I like to see a company that can finance itself. And then after that, I start looking a little bit at what do they do with that free cash flow. So are they paying dividends? Are they paying down debt? Are they buying back stock? That sort of thing. What I know about investing now that I didn't know when I started is how much of a long-term game it is. When I started out, I was young and I was hoping to make the big score. Fortunately, I was very young and I didn't have a lot of money. Couldn't do too much damage. Once I really honed my framework to be a very cash flow-based investor, look for things that other people perhaps aren't looking for, style investor, walking my own path, I found I got a lot more successful. Qualities that I think are important in order to be a good investor are really understand yourself, what your strategy is, what your thesis is going to be, and be unafraid when other people disagree with you. You don't have to go along with the crowd. You don't have to do what everyone else is doing. You can search for things that are smaller, more interesting, special situations. And as well, key ingredient, you need patience. The reason I am interested in both Canadian and US stocks is quite simple. The Canadian equity market is about 2 or 3% of the world equity market, so simple diversification says you need to go beyond Canada's borders. The second thing is Canada is very, I'm going to say siloed in certain industries. There's not a lot of tech stuff. There's not a lot of consumer products, for example. So in order to, again, get that good diversification in your portfolio, you need to go beyond the borders of Canada. I actually love bear markets. I'm a big believer in the saying that you make most of your money during bear markets, you just don't realize it at the time. I look at bear markets as opportunity. I don't get scared by them. I'm someone who has taken annual reports to the beach with me. I'm someone who's taken 10Ks to theater gatherings. One time I was building a model on a spreadsheet while I was on a high-speed train going through the south of France. So I should be looking outside at the beautiful scenery and no, I'm reading, financial statements.